been telling you about.
Good morning, sir.
My child, morning. Yes, just like what your auntie been saying all this while.
Thank you very much, sir. Oh, and thanks again for
Thanks for what?
Auntie, I couldn't find my way and she held me down here. I'm grateful.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, then you hear me, ma'am.
But how this man a come run out doing he? I gonna hear, brothers. Hey, don't forget to the whole of we are Mr. Keys tenant, you know. And none of we don't own nowhere. I hope you like it here, Peaches. Although you have a false start already.
Alright, Jai, alright. Go on. Maybe sit down a rose bar later.
Alright, Mr. Brothers. Stay around and drink to me. Yeah?
Happy riddance! This is not a nice place, Peaches. It's not ever and ever